All right, welcome back. So you should have your server up and running. Welcome to my game. All right, we should see also we've got this code. So we wrote like, I don't know, 10 lines of code, and we've got a whole thing happening in just 10 lines of code. Pretty fantastic. All right, the next thing we want to do, if we check our list, is we want to have, React, Express we have already, and we also want to have MongoDB. Now, MongoDB is our database, right? Now, we could ask ChatGPT all sorts of questions, blah, 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 but you're here with me to learn how to do things, right? I mean, I'm also here. It's not just the robots. So let's actually take a look with ChatGPT about what is MongoDB and how to use it. All right, so we're going to ask our friend over here, what is MongoDB and how do we set up a database online with it? Let's hit enter. So, very popular open source NoSQL database. And NoSQL, basically what that means is it just stores data in documents rather than tables, all right? And that's actually very powerful. It's just easier to store it that way. And then it's easier to retrieve data, as we're going to see. So it's designed to be scalable, flexible, wide range of applications, web, mobile, gaming. Set up a database online. You can use a cloud provider, MongoDB Atlas. Interesting. So, but how? Well, we go to MongoDB Atlas website. Okay, create a new account. Follow the prompts, create a new cluster. A cluster is a group of servers that host your data. Yes, is correct. Configure your cluster settings, such as the region and hardware tier. Okay, so we're going to need to do that. Create a new database user, right? Because we're going to want to have a database. Yes, makes sense. Connect to your cluster using the MongoDB Compass tool or driver. Okay. Use the Compass tool or your driver to create collections. Yeah, that all sounds good to me. All right, so let's do it. Let's set up our Mongo database. So we're going to follow this link, and we can try free. Let's try free. Try free is always my favorite. So we're going to put in our names. Clarion North Company. Clarion is awesome. All right, I'll put my password. I mean my email. clarion@downstream.io. This is just a joke, all right? All right, I'm just joking around here. This is a password, so I'm going to make a password. My password. You don't know what my password is. Let's create the account. Oh, I have to agree. Don't forget to agree. I agree. Create your account. Creating the account. Enter. I'll save the password. And now I got to verify. Of course, you got to verify because it doesn't believe me. Okay, you should have gone into your email to get an email verification. Then you want to hit continue. Once you hit continue, you're going to get to this welcome message. Welcome message. And then it's going to prompt you in order to build an application. So let's go through the steps together in the next lesson. I'll see you there.